those who are coming to us for design advice, we wanted them to go through this entire transition thing from whatever state they are to a better built environment and design. So that's why that's how we kind of named it as Aangan. It is very interesting to know that traditionally Dumas, which is wherein we are sitting right now, this is kind of an outskirts area to Surat. So they bought a small plot with a small already existing house from the year 1937. If you will see in Dumas also, there are a lot of such old bungalows which are like outhouses and retreats. So they wanted to have a sort of a, not exactly a farmhouse, but a retreat place for them.
He is kind of thing persons કે ભાઈ પાર્ટી ઓરિએન્ટેડ અને બધી વસ્તુઓ જે એમનો કન્સર્ન્સ છે. સો પ્લાનિંગ એવું કરીએ કે જેટલા બી ટ્રી છે સિંગલ ટ્રી કાપ્યા વગર આખું પ્લાનિંગ થાય. દેટ ઇઝ અવર મેજર થિંગ અવર ધ પાર્ટ. સો વી કેન ડિઝાઇન કે એક બંગલો ઓલરેડી છે, બીજો બંગલો ઓલરેડી આપણે બનાવી રહ્યા છે, તો વી કેન ક્રિએટ ધ વન ટ્રાન્ઝિશન સ્પેસ. ઇટ ઇઝ અ વન કાઇન્ડ ઓફ ધ આંગણ કોર્ટયાર્ડ સ્પેસ કે એ એરિયાથી દરેક વસ્તુઓ ત્યાંથી ટ્રાન્ઝિટ આપણે થઈ શકે.
So within the same height of the old bungalow, we are able to accommodate 3 levels. So the living room is 1 level. The living area over here is also for a lot of different activities. Like it also acts as a multi-purpose space. It has got a small bar unit. It has got the lounge kind of a space which is done in floral and colorful textiles. It basically is in a way indoors but very much connected to the outdoors. So on the eastern side and on the southern side you have large windows which blurs the boundary between the inside and the outside. And then we have a mid-level bedroom space which is mostly like a guest bedroom, and from there we go to 1 level up, which is actually the first floor level, which has got the master bedroom, an outdoor deck. So it kind of again connects you from even from the upper level to the canopy of the trees and openness. So you get the required privacy also, but at the same time you are into the open. Another important thing was because there were a lot of outdoor activities which the clients wanted as a part of the landscape, and it's not only green or trees. So there are a lot of interest spots that are created. Because different time, different places would be used, along with swinging hammock and a tree jula kind of a thing, and a small sit out. So these all elements along with a trail were designed in a fashion wherein every of this particular element has its own uniqueness in terms of uses and in terms of its feel. The whole culmination of this entire design comes into the extension of the building. The building is done in wood is because we wanted it to merge with the surroundings, with the trees and all. We did not want a concrete kind of a structure be standing into this nice lush green landscape. So the whole tropical kind of look, the tropical modern as we call it, this particular house is basically because we wanted it to merge with the landscape wherein people gather, and that is where the heart of this entire design lies.